Hi, welcome to Robyn's Roost. Today I'm going to share a card that was inspired by a swap that I received, and I did post it on my blog on Friday. So I like to call it a cut and flip fun fold. It's just a little bit of a tweak off of a regular card base that gives it a little bit of pizzazz. So let's flip the camera and I'll show you how to make it. So I've got all the pieces cut, but I'm going to show you here what I've done. So let's just remove our layers. So we're going to start with a piece of paper that is 11 inches long by 4 1/4, and then we're going to score it at 5 1/2, so like a typical card base. And then if you can see, let's see, we're going to make cuts off of the front side. So you're going to cut off a 1 1/2 inch slice and then a 2 1/2 inch slice. And that's going to make our flip. So then we're also going to need some decorative pieces of designer series paper. And of course these can be any color. So this one is going to be 1 1/4 by 4. And you need 2 of them, so you're going to have this piece and this one up here are both the same size. And then you'll need a white layer if you have dark cardstock. So this is going to be 5 1/4 by 4. And this piece is, now I'm testing, it's 4 by 2 1/4. And you know, if you wanted to put a decorative piece here and then do your image on a die cut or something like that, you could do that. But that's your basic layers. So let's just go ahead and put these together. It's a really quick card. So if you wanted to, you could stamp this one first. It's usually better to stamp first because then you could always use the back side if you screw up. But I'm going to pretend that I'm going to do it great. So we'll just layer these up. And this paper that I'm using here is the, oh gosh, let me think. Here I am with names again. It's the Delightfully Eclectic. And I do believe that it is discounted starting April 9th. It's retiring. Okay, and I will stamp on here first before I adhere this. And I'm just going to use my tuxedo black ink, and I am using the Enjoy the Rhythm stamp set. Here, I'll pull it in to show you the images we've got. So we've got some musical instruments and some music inspired greetings. Now that I've inked this, okay, we're just gonna put this on here, and you can see the drums are gonna hang over just a little bit. Let's put I had some greetings set aside. Okay, enjoy the rhythm of each day, because we've got rhythm and we've got our drums. We think of drums as rhythm, right? So we'll go ahead and put this here. And then I'm thinking on the inside, we'll do a happy birthday. Go ahead and do all of our stamping here, as long as we're at it. And when you do your stamping on the inside, you need to keep in mind where the image is going to sit. So you could, if you're doing like a circle, you could put this piece over here. You could center it wherever you want it. But you want to have your inside greetings so that it's covered or totally out, right? So that it doesn't look wonky. Or you could put them up high or down low where they're going to be covered. So I'm just going to put this one right in the middle. And now let's cover the ink so we don't land in it. And this card is just, I'm just doing it black and white. So now I don't have a great way of telling you, you know, like a magical potion on how to put this together. I know some people might. So I just match this up down here, kind of eyeball where I want my adhesive, right? It's going to be right on the top and the bottom. Of course, you could use liquid glue or something else on here too. But then I just, I'm going to kind of line it up down here because that, whoops, that appears to be a pretty straight. Oh, and I smudged. Ugh. Okay. It looks like we're going to need to put some gems on here. But there you get the gist of how to put this card together. Really quick and simple. And it's kind of a cute card, right? A little bit different. And then let me just show you. Here is the card that I may have mentioned at the beginning. I got this from Lynn Byrus, I think is her name, on a swap in Houston at Onstage. And I know I've done this cut and flip before, and I think I've even done a video of it, but I thought it would be a fun reminder because I hadn't done one for a long time. So there's the card that inspired me to make these Enjoy the Rhythm cards, and here's a couple more. I decided I'd do one in browns and earth tones, kind of with the same drums, the same image. Gosh, I'm doing this early in the morning, so I'm a little bit, and this paper is the Earth and Elegance, which is also retiring. And then I did another one using the guitar and the Glorious Gingham, which is also retiring. Oh, and this paper, I'm not sure if this one is retiring. It might be staying on the one that Lynn used. It's called Bright and Beautiful. So just a fun, I don't know if you call it a fun fold, maybe a cut and flip. So hope you enjoyed and have a great day.